In the Help menu of each SYPE app, there are direct accesses to useful information and technical support. From this menu, we can access Technical Support. Here, we find the details for contacting the SYPE technical support team. It includes the different communication channels for answering queries, receiving customized assistance, and fixing any issues with the apps. User Community. Here, we access the SYPE user community, where we can share experiences, ask questions, and discuss solutions with other professionals using the same tools. This community encourages the exchange of knowledge and best practices, helping to make the most of the program's capacities. Learning resources. Here, we have a collection of learning resources such as tutorials, manuals, videos, and articles, designed to help you understand and use SYPE apps more efficiently. These materials are designed for all levels, from beginners to advanced users, and are a great source of information to expand skills and technical knowledge. Our aim is to make it easier to access information and provide the necessary support to improve the app experience, as well as to promote professional development.